All right, welcome back. It is currently 33 degrees outside right now, and we're gonna go take the Jeep for a ride. Let's get to it. All right, now we're gonna go pick Trey up and see what he thinks. You can turn it on. You want to turn the heat on?
At least at the feet.
On our feet?
At least at the feet.
Oh, I think I like it on my hands.
Or on your hands. Either one.
Let's go to our hands. Ah, heat on. GoPro's rolling. You know the only thing we need now? Xavier Wolf, but
oh no, it's Xavier Wolf.
No, let's play some Big Booty Mix. You got me on Big Booty Mix. But we can't drift in here.
No, but that's awesome.
fine when I picked it up.
But then, oh,
Well, guess you can have mine. But it's worth something now. It's still recording.
is it actually?
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah.
We found it.
Yeah, have a fun ride.
47 minutes ago?
This thing was yeeted.
Holy
Dude, that's kind of lucky, right?
Oh, I still feel sick. I wish it was mine now, but I feel happy.
That we at least found it.
Yeah, we at least found it. It's worth something now. You know what I mean? Battery's almost dead, but you know, we're still gonna vlog with you for a little bit. You don't even need to fix it.
I mean, that could be a throwaway and just buy me.
We could just keep this one to launch it into space. We'll go split one.
Yeah.
We'll go to Best Buy right now and split one. What are they? They're 400?
Yeah.
We neither of us have that kind of money. We're gonna go and try and see if we can get the warranty on this bad puppy. Damn! I can't wait to watch this.
Imagine taking this out and playing.
It'd be like,
Yeah. What the heck?
they're fans.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I did. All right. We're going to put the thing away. No more. Broke one GoPro. We just
Got a gaze.
stressed out.
There's
Oh,
a lot. They're warm in there.
that would be nice. We can't afford a car like that. With doors and a top.
The tours and
That's why we need more subscribers. So we can get doors.
no subscribe.
Should we take the bypass? Should we take the bypass or should we go through town? No, we're just gonna go through town so we won't get us. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, my clutch.
I was gonna say,
This is where it echoes. What are you doing?
You can easily get out. Easy action.
Hey! Lord. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We have some coils coming next week and I'm gonna start putting those in. Remember, keep it spicy. We'll see you later.